right, welcome. So today we're going to be looking at another style of drumming that is called Calypso or soca, and we're going to take it in different stages. All right, and I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago, and so in my country we have a lot of different genres of music, but everything actually started, I think, with mento, all right, and then it eventually went to Calypso, and then soca, and then soge, all right, and I'm going to be showing you, those different styles. And so when we started off with, I just think a simple mento beat. Very simple, and then after that, now they started actually opening the hi-hat. So your bass drum is going, hi-hat. So that was more mental. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. All right, look forward for the next video. Remember to subscribe, all right, like, you can share. Okay, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining.